Okay, guys. First, I like to season my meat. I'm gonna season my meat. When I'm cooking, I like to get into it, so you ain't gonna see my pretty face the whole video. But you know I'm here with you. No cap. Alright. What I do is I throw some of this garlic powder. Yep, get in there, bunch of that in there. Keep throwing that garlic powder in there. Then you wanna get some this goya adobo right here. Throw some of that goya adobo on there. Just a little bit of that. This ingredient is real simple, guys. I'm telling you, real simple. Pepper. Get some of that pepper in there. Paprika. A little bit of that paprika in there. Just to give it that spice, you know? And then this is the secret formula. I'm not going to show you this, but this is my curry powder. I made this myself. Alright? Yeah, I'm going to throw some of that on there. Throw boom, boom, boom. Curry powder in there. Salt. I don't use too much salt because I already got high blood pressure as it is. So, get that in there. You just shake that around like that. So your seasoning gets all in your meat. You want to season your meat good. Season your meat, guys. Y'all see it in there? That strip marinating in there. Yeah. Yeah. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Yeah. Get your meat. Strip seasoning in there. That looks pretty good. Can you see that in there? Yeah. Curry strength. Boom. 1, 2, 3 steps. Now we're gonna jump over here. Now I'm on my cutting board. Now as I'm on my cutting board, my pan is sitting right here. I got my cast iron pan sitting there ready to go, buttered up, lubed up and everything. I'm gonna just bust these out for y'all real quick. There's no specific way on cutting your onions. I don't know if everybody uses onions, but I like onions. I'm not a professional chopper, but just get your onions as small as possible. Get that. This is a big ass green pepper. Remember, just get your vegetables as small as possible. You want to just cut those as small as possible. I cook with the gloves. It kind of doesn't give you good position with gripping your food, but I don't like a lot of food touching my hands when I'm cooking. So, I don't know, just my thing. Put in the comments if you wear gloves when you're cooking. I know none of y'all do wear gloves. Y'all probably cook with a mask on, so you put gloves on, huh? Cause that's what you do! Alright, vegetables cut up, meat seasoned, pan ready to go. I'm about to throw this in. I'm telling you, no cap. I does this. I cook, I clean, I slay. Like, comment, subscribe. Ooh. I'm about to fuck this up. This is the complete project. Your boy, Azander, the creator. We create